Hello, my dear English learners, and welcome back to Mr. English Talks. In our journey of life and language, we talk a lot about goals, skills, and success. But today, let's talk about something far more valuable, something that truly makes life rich and meaningful: friendship. In a world with hundreds of online connections, it's easy to wonder, who are my real friends? A real friend is not just someone who says hello or likes your photos. A real friend is a shelter in life's storms and a mirror to your soul. So, how can you tell the difference? Today, we will explore 10 undeniable signs that you have a real, true friend. These are the markers of a bond that goes beyond convenience and reaches the heart. Let's begin. The first sign is perhaps the most crucial test of any relationship. They are there for you during your lowest points. A real friend doesn't just appear for the celebrations, the parties, and the good news. They are present in the shadows, during your failures, your heartbreaks, your moments of fear and uncertainty. When you call them with a trembling voice, they listen without judgment. When you need help, they show up sometimes without even being asked. They are the ones sitting with you in silence when you are sad, not trying to fix everything with empty words, but simply offering the solid, comforting presence of someone who cares. A fair-weather friend disappears in the rain. A real friend brings an umbrella. The second sign is a beautiful and selfless quality. They genuinely celebrate your successes. Have you ever achieved something and shared the news with someone, only to feel their energy become a little cold, or to receive a congratulations that feels forced? A real friend is the opposite. Their joy for your victory is authentic and abundant. They are your biggest cheerleader. When you get a promotion, they are the first to take you out for dinner to celebrate. When you finally master a difficult English concept, they are genuinely proud. There is no jealousy, no competition, only a heart that is truly happy because you are happy. Their success feels like your success, and your success feels like theirs. Sign number 3 is the foundation of all lasting relationships. You can be your completely authentic self around them. With a real friend, you don't need a filter. You don't have to pretend to be smarter, cooler, or happier than you are. You can share your silly thoughts, your weird habits, your deepest fears, and your most embarrassing stories. You can wear your old, comfortable clothes, sing badly, or admit that you feel lost and they will not love you any less. In fact, they love you more for it. This space of total acceptance, where you are not performing but simply being, is one of the greatest gifts a friend can give. The fourth sign is about honest communication. They tell you the truth, even when it's hard to hear. A fake friend will always tell you what you want to hear. A real friend cares enough to tell you what you need to hear. If you are making a big mistake, if you are being unfair, or if you have spinach in your teeth, they will tell you gently but honestly. They do this not to hurt you, but to protect you and help you grow. This kind of honest feedback, given with love and without malice, is a sign of deep respect. It means they value your long-term well-being more than a short-term, comfortable silence. The fifth sign is beautifully simple yet profound. The conversation never runs dry, even after long silences. With a real friend, you cannot talk for weeks or even months because life gets busy. But when you finally connect again, whether on a call or in person, it's as if no time has passed at all. You pick up right where you left off. The conversation flows naturally, easily, filled with shared memories and new updates. There is no awkwardness, no pressure, just the comfortable rhythm of a connection that exists outside of time and constant contact. The sixth sign is about their intuitive care. They remember the things that matter to you. Just like in romantic interest, a real friend pays attention. They remember that you love the chocolate cake from that specific cafe, that you're nervous about your driving test next Thursday, or that your childhood cat was named Milo. They might send you a link to an article about your favorite hobby, or check in after your big meeting. These small acts show that you are on their mind and in their heart, not as an obligation, but as a person whose story they cherish and remember. Sign number 7 is a key element of maturity and respect. They respect your boundaries and your time. A real friend understands that you have a life outside of them. They don't get angry if you can't answer a call immediately or can't attend every event. They don't pressure you to share things you're not ready to share. They respect your no. They value the time you do give them and don't treat it as something you owe them. This mutual respect for each other's individuality and space is what keeps a friendship healthy and free from resentment. The eighth sign is visible in moments of conflict. You can disagree or argue, and it doesn't end the friendship. In any deep relationship, disagreements are natural. With a real friend, an argument is not a war to be won. It's a bridge to be crossed together. You might have a heated debate about politics, or a misunderstanding that leads to hurt feelings, but the foundation of care is strong enough to withstand it. You both are willing to talk it through, to apologize if needed, and to understand each other's perspective. The friendship is more important than the ego. Coming out of a disagreement with greater understanding actually deepens the bond. The ninth sign is about equality and balance. The effort is a two-way street. Friendship is not a one-person show. In a real friendship, both people initiate contact, both make plans, and both check in on each other. You don't feel like you are always the one texting first, inviting them, or carrying the conversation. The energy flows both ways naturally. There is a healthy balance of give and take, not a scorecard, but a natural rhythm where both people feel equally valued and invested. Finally, the 10th and perhaps most spiritual sign. You feel lighter and better after spending time with them. Pay attention to how you feel when you say goodbye to a friend. Do you feel drained, criticized, or anxious? Or do you feel uplifted, understood, and energized? Time with a real friend is restorative. Even if you talk about difficult things, you leave the conversation feeling supported and seen. Their presence is a safe harbor. You don't have to be on. You can just exist, and that existence feels good. That feeling of lightness and peace is the ultimate proof that this person is a true friend to your soul. Real friendship, my friends, is a quiet masterpiece. It's not loud or flashy. It's built in the small, consistent acts of care, respect, and presence. As you navigate life and English, remember that language is a tool to build these beautiful bridges. Use it to be the kind of friend you wish to have, honest, present, and kind. If this reflection on true friendship touched your heart, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks for more lessons that explore life's most important topics. Hit the like button if you have someone in mind who shows these signs, and maybe even send them this video to say thank you. Remember, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.